when you're not looking for something?
Yeah, right.
Wow.
So this is Bird Seed Unlimited, huh?
Wild Birds Unlimited, yep.
Yep.
This is really nice.
Thank you.
We were looking online. Wow, this is really cute. Our neighbor's got a bird seeder.
And they're all full.
I don't know if they got it here or not. I haven't asked them. But we see the birds, and I bought a few of these, but these squirrels took the whole thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you have a suet feeder?
Huh?
So you have a suet feeder?
I didn't have any. I just put it out on the table.
Oh, yeah, no, they're just gonna take it.
Yeah.
You don't need to put it inside a feeder.
Yeah. These are kind of cool.
Yeah. Those are cylinder feeders. You put the cylinder right on the spike there. And that's it.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice too.
Yep.
I have a hook that has, sorry, I'm just looking it out, that has two, put like one on each side.
Okay.
Oh, this is cool.
That would be what you would put those cakes in.
Wow.
On the lips.
All right, let me look around and figure out what.
Yeah, look around. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.
No, this is mine. Nobody kicks me
Kyle,
out.
different foods feed different birds. Kyle. Kai.
Yeah?
Different foods feed different birds. They all don't necessarily like the same thing.
We should get a bird feeder.
All right, well, we're gonna look and figure out which one we want.
Last time we got a birdhouse, but
Birdhouse.
it was white and blue and it matches the shed, but it broke.
Oh no. I hate when that happens.
This Studio M makes nice planters. This company.
Yeah,
they
they
do a lot of
do.
those things.
Yeah. I have a few at home. They're very expensive, but they're really
Yeah,
nice.
those are 75% off.
Yeah. I'm not a red person. Oh, you have a lot of stuff by them. They're adorable.
Did you guys, ever receive that birdhouse where you get to look inside and see what birds are doing in there?
This one goes on a window. There's a suction cup to the window. And there's a clear back. So you would see whatever was going on in there.
And does it come with a special fabric that birds can't see through?
No, so this is just a plexiglass
I'm gonna get
thing.
something, and I'm going to. I was debating.
I wonder if the
one
birds get disturbed by
underneath the front
people
window.
from the outside.
Some of them
And my
might,
vegetable garden in the back.
but the ones in here shouldn't mind you too much.
Should- So he could watch it, but I have Lyme disease and I know birds have Lyme disease. Okay, these, I have ones like these. You guys have great stuff.
Thank you.
Kyle, are you talking about something like this? Oh, he's filming you for his YouTube. You have to ask permission, Kyle.
I'm gonna make sure people get a chance to come here.
That's a YouTube channel.
Okay.
You guys are
This
gonna
is
get so
kinda
many
cool.
hits.
This is very cute.
So that you would stick on the
Bats are
window.
mammals, not birds.
So I do recommend these over this, only for cleaning purposes.
I scientifically believe that owls are mammals.
Oh, and you know what, I don't have a place, I don't wanna put it to the side, I really
Yeah.
don't. So now, what is like this?
What's the question?
Like this, they
Oh, I want a
just
book.
eat the stuff.
Yeah, they sit on the perches and they get the food out of the hole. You easy clean, take the bottom out. You can just do a brush, put it in there and clean.
So it fills up.
Yeah. You fill it with food. You can either fill it from the bottom or the top.
Oh, and then the food stays dry.
Yeah, you gotta make sure it's dry.
Yeah, moisture, this is global.
And that's just the other one with the weather guard.
Right, which is kind of good.
Yeah.
I don't know. But you see which one you would like? I want to see if he looks into it because I think this is the one I usually got. I feel like I put what?
The peanut hut.
Oh no, it's not peanut. Okay, no, it's not for the.
I wonder if tire Nick
I don't want
called that.
squirrels.
Well, blue jays really like peanuts.
Yeah.
So those are really for the blue jays.
Okay.
And like squirrels, like this would be a squirrel feeder.
Okay.
You know, you would leave it on the ground or you could put it into your fence.
Okay.
And you would put peanuts in there, like the whole,
Oh.
in the shell,
Okay.
you know.
When do hummingbirds come out?
April.
April, yeah. Kai, do you want to start with birds and then we could go on from there?
Yeah.
Just ordered him something to paint, a birdhouse to paint.
Okay.
Because I wanted him to paint, do a craft, but these are pretty.
You want to make sure it's a water-based paint.
Okay, right. So I was gonna use an acrylic and then spray it so you